Choosing the right PPE for your industry. A comprehensive guide. Selecting the appropriate personal protective equipment, PPE, is crucial for ensuring the safety of workers in different industries. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you make the right choices. Risk assessment. Identify potential hazards in your workplace. Evaluate the severity and frequency of these hazards. Consider the specific tasks and activities performed. Understand PPE types. Familiarize yourself with the different types of PPE available. Categories include head protection, eye and face protection, respiratory protection, hand protection, and more. Compliance with regulations. Be aware of industry and government regulations regarding PPE. Ensure that selected PPE complies with relevant safety standards. Task-specific gear. Match PPE to the tasks performed. For instance, welding requires different protection than chemical handling. Consider the compatibility of PPE with other safety equipment. Assess comfort and fit. Comfort is crucial for continuous use. Uncomfortable PPE may lead to non-compliance. Ensure proper sizing and fit for each individual worker. Consider environmental factors. Evaluate the work environment, temperature, humidity, etc., when choosing PPE. Some conditions may require special features, such as anti-fogging for eyewear. Evaluate durability and lifespan. Assess the durability of PPE in the context of the tasks performed. Determine the expected lifespan and establish a regular replacement schedule. Employee training. Train employees on the correct use, maintenance, and limitations of the chosen PPE. Foster a culture of responsibility and awareness regarding safety. Regular reviews and updates. Periodically reassess workplace hazards and update PPE accordingly. Stay informed about advancements in PPE technology and safety standards. Remember, the right PPE can make a significant difference in preventing injuries and ensuring a safe working environment.